Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. So today I'm going to be doing a little something different. I'm going to do the pearl over cloud effect, but I'm going to add in my swipe technique that I do, like the botanical swipes. I'll add a video here so you can go check one of those out. But I thought, ooh, what a cool maybe combination. I was watching, and I forget her channel, Artistry by Tara, I think. I don't know. I will post it here because I can't remember the full name of it. But she did the cloud effect with the Dutch pour. So I was like, ooh, let me try the pearl effect with a swipe. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So I have all my paints mixed up in the pearl cloud over mixture. So for my base paint, it's the Artist Loft Acrylic White with Satin Enamel, the 50/50 floetrol GAC, and Liquitex Basics Pouring Medium. I mixed up a little of this blue here, and this is, now this is a satin finish, so we'll see what happens, but this is so pretty. This is called Shimmering Sky by Modern Masters, and I did that the same. I just replaced the Artist Loft paint in it with the Modern Masters. So that's the GAC 50/50 floetrol GAC, and then the Liquitex Pouring Medium. And water, obviously. Water too thin. You want it very thin. All my paints are very thin. Okay, so colors I'm going to use, and some of these colors are leftovers, so I can't tell you the exact color. But this one is a Prussian blue. I'm sorry, no. Yes, Prussian blue. Grumbacher Academy with some iridescent medium and the pouring medium. And the pouring medium I'm using is just the 50/50 of the GAC and the floetrol and water. That's the mixture for my paints, not my base. The base is the one that has the satin enamel in it. I believe I did put a little squirt of the pouring, of the Liquitex pouring medium in that as well. Okay, so I have that. I have this turquoise, and this is a mixture of Artist Loft turquoise and Arteza pearl turquoise. Okay, so I have that. I have this like an emerald green, but I added some Prussian blue to it to make it like a dark turquoise. I have this color shift, and this is Folk Art Color Shift Blue Flash. I have some silver, and this is the Folk Art Platinum Treasure Gold Collection. I did add just a squirt of Payne's Gray by Amsterdam. Just a squirt, just to deepen it a little bit. Okay, so we have that, and I have this light blue mixture, and this is a cloud over mixture. Again, it's this Modern Master satin finish, Shimmering Sky, and then you add in a little bit of house paint and your pouring medium. So that I might use that. I also have a white cloud mixture. I think it's white, it's gray. Let me see. I'll have to shake. I haven't even opened this yet. Yeah, it's a white cloud mixture. Might have to add a little water to that, but okay. So I have those. Oh, and I also have a color shift blue that I'm going to use. Probably need to add a little water to that one because it's been sitting a while. Okay, so these are my colors. And then for my swipe portion of it, I am going to use some different colors, and they're not going to be, it's just going to be my normal floetrol water mixture for those, because I want them to swipe. And I'm going to use my Amsterdam and floetrol 4 parts, floetrol to 1 part Amsterdam paint to swipe with. So when I get to that part, I'll slow it, maybe I'll slow it down, or I'll talk through it a little bit, and we can see what colors I'm going to use for that, because I want to see what I get with this pearl mixture first, and then kind of have to play it by ear how I go with my swipe. All right, so I'm going to be working on a 15 by 30 inch canvas, and I have it all taped. I have to put my push pins on it, and we're going to get started here in a minute, okay? So I'll be back in just a minute.
his heart. Any direction now would help. Let me give you a piece of advice, she said. Larger ain't bolder, and wiser ain't older. Just hold on to what you believe in. Under bridges and heavy rocks, we keep on dancing. Yes, we've traveled far, seen so many docks. But now I need to get some rest. Nevertheless, a caress.
All right, so I'm finished. I'm really happy with this. I think it looks really pretty. Obviously with the pearl cells, you know, you can leave it and it can change on you. But there's a lot of pretty pearls going on around here. I really love this area. It's almost, I think it was from the silver and a little bit of the color shift blue that I put in. It almost gave it like an opalescent type look there. It's hard to see on the camera, but maybe once it dries, we'll be able to see it better. I like this little area, these little pearls going on up there. My swipe area looks great, and as you saw, I went in with my little skewer and I did some twirls and twirled this around. It looks really like mythical, and I don't know, I really like it. So I'm going to be playing with this technique a little bit more. I have a couple ideas. Maybe doing just half the pearl effect and then doing the swipe instead of doing the whole pearl first, which I kind of wish I had thought about that before, but I do like this. All right, so I'm gonna let this sit and work its magic and see what else. I already see more cells popping up here, so we'll let that go. I want to keep it, make sure that it's level, because you can lose your overall design if it's not. It'll just run off. I've had that happen. So yeah, so let me know what you think in the comments if you want to see more of these swipe / pearl effect. I think they're kind of neat, and I think maybe next time I'll try it with, like I said, doing the pearl on only half and then adding the color and my swipe on the other side. That might be the way to go. All right. Hope you liked this video. If you're new here, please like and subscribe and comment. And I'll be back soon with another video. Thanks for watching. See you all soon. Bye-bye.